guys, good morning. It is Monday, January 22nd, 8:43 a.m. and today is the first day of spring semester here at Sonoma State and I'm so excited. Can you tell? Actually, I'm excited to start off the semester and I only have one class today and it's at 9:20, so I have about 30-35 minutes before I actually have to leave the class, and I thought I would pull out the vlog camera and bring you guys around today and the whole week of this first spring semester. So yeah, alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Shirts from Brandy, jeans are from H&M, and Vans. First day of class, let's go! So flexible.
I'm not flexible though. Look, actually, this is kind of...
Ooh, can you put your leg behind your head?
No! No! No. This is what happens on the first day of school.
Oh my god, I hate school.
Hey, you only have one class today. I have two.
Okay, yes. But I showed up to the wrong class today, guys, and I was so embarrassed. I was 10 minutes late to the actual class. 10 minutes late, and there was no seats. And I had to sit in the front.
I sat in the front. I mean, whose team sit in the front? Because I am. Because I didn't know anybody in my class.
You like sitting in the front?
When I don't know people in the class, yeah.
No, but like I had to walk in there, go through everyone, and sit in the front.
Is he hot? I heard he's hot.
He's not hot.
Who's the hot one?
Jesse Marquet, he's old.
Who's the hot one then? There's a really hot teacher apparently.
For history?
History. Yeah.
Well, it ain't Marquet. It ain't Marquet. He said that.
Because I'm already dying. I actually am dying though. I literally walked into my class and I was like, I thought I was gonna be late because I woke up really late. Like, I remember I told you I was gonna wake up at 8. I woke up at 8:45. So like...
I zoomed in. Oh wow, that is way too close to my face. Hello. How do I zoom out? Oh, that's zooming in. Okay. Yay!
Hello!
Hello! Merry early late Christmas!
Same to you!
Yeah. I missed you!
I missed you too!
Also, hey, you know who Brandon is, right?
Which one?
That lives with them? He doesn't know the difference between us.
What?
We don't look alike. You're prettier.
Stop. Like, oh my god.
What'd you get?
I got half a sandwich turkey with fries and some pesto mayo.
All right. I don't even know what this is. I just kind of put stuff in a bowl. But yeah. Yay! Hey guys, it's like 2 o'clock right now. It's the same day, still Monday, January 22nd, but I changed my outfit because it was hotter than I thought it was. And yeah, so I changed into these jeans from Gap, shirt from Brandy, and this flannel is from Brandy as well with my checkered shoes still. But I'm literally so tired. I only had one class today. Like I said, it was history 251. I still can't believe I showed up to the wrong freaking classroom. Like, who does that? Me, apparently. I'm about to go to the housing center because last semester I won an Amazon gift card for like taking a survey, so I'm gonna go pick that up soon. Not yet because I really don't want to walk over there yet, so yeah, but I'll update you guys later. Hey guys, so I just went and picked up my Amazon gift card from the housing office, and it's right here. That's like, I think I won $50 off the survey thing, so I'm so happy about that. It's gonna pay for like half a textbook, but you know, it's better than nothing. And cookies!
They're so cute.
You smell so good.
I'm such an artist.
Wow.
Poops.
So true. If only you guys could smell it.
Like, who does this? Only me, because I don't have a fucking scratch.
Oh. The struggle's real. Got back from Target and Office Depot because Target didn't have any notebooks.
Literally, what's wrong with Office
Like,
Depot?
what?
Can I sue? Because that's not okay.
Yeah, so we went to Office Depot.
$8 for a notebook? No!
Literally, we went to Target for a notebook and they didn't have it. So we were like, oh my god, let's go to Office Depot. But Office Depot didn't have notebooks either. But Office Depot only has one job.
Office Depot, it's your job
To provide office supplies.
Yeah. So where are they?
Hey guys, what's up? My hair is freaking crazy. I don't know what's happening right now. But it's Tuesday, January 23. It's about 12 p.m. It's 11:57 a.m. right now. And I actually started today off with Business 225, which was at 8 a.m. and it's business law. And I didn't film this morning because I was just so tired. There was just no way I was gonna film. I don't know. But yeah, I had that class at 8 a.m. Came home, ate breakfast, drank more coffee, and then I actually just took a nap and I'm up again. And then I have class at 1 p.m. which is my Calc 2 class. It's 1 to 2:50, and then from 3 to 4:50 I have my Business 230A, which is I think financial accounting. But yeah, so yeah, I have 3 classes on Tuesdays, and yeah, I cannot get over my hair right now. What's happening? I don't know. But yeah, I'll just talk to you guys later. Bye.
Don't eat Tide Pods.
Are you hungry? Oh.
Okay, let's see if we can even... Ready? Oh, and he's at it. Yay! Yay! Hey, wanna join? You don't have to. No pressure. Really?
Really?
Are you kidding me?
Oh,
you
we're
wanna
just
join
dancing.
us dance? Oh, hey, new friend. I'm Audrey. Audrey? Yes. Ella, nice to meet you. I'm perfectly.
Go in the house. I'm going to your apartment. See you.
Four, binge watch T-Swift videos. 5,
Hey guys, what's up? It's 2:37 right now on Wednesday, and I think I said this on Monday, but I only have one class on Mondays and Wednesdays, so I've just been chilling in my room. Actually, that's a lie. I got home after my one class, which was History 251, hung out with my roommates. We went to go to the mailroom, check for a parking pass. My parking pass is still not here yet, but it's fine, whatever. We ate some lunch, and now everyone is in class, and I don't have any class, which I'm happy about, but I just wish I had something to do. But I'm just chilling in my bed, and I am watching Netflix right now. I'm watching The Good Life. I just started it. Is it good? I don't know, but I will let you know, because I probably will finish it in a day, to be honest, because it's only one season. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Later tonight, I think I have lip jam practice at 9 p.m. Our practice is 9 to 10:30, so I probably maybe will vlog that. We'll see. I don't know. No promises. But yeah, I'm just laying in bed now. Okay, bye! Good morning, guys. Oh my god, I just burned my freaking finger on my flat iron. It's 7:35 in the morning. It's Thursday, January 25th, and I'm getting ready for my Business 225 class. So freaking tired. But I got my coffee, and I need to leave in 10 minutes, and I still haven't changed, brushed my teeth, finished my coffee, and I'm a little stressed. I'm gonna be honest. I had lip jam practice last night, and I couldn't bring you because it's very secretive, and they don't want we don't want anyone to see our freaking choreography before lip jam, which is February 24th, I think. And yeah, but I will be filming lip jam in a vlog. Don't worry, you'll see it. So I'm about to head to my calc class right now, but I just wanted to show you my freaking bruise from lip jam practice last night. It got worse, okay? This is ridiculous. I don't even, hold on. Looks like, oh my god, it's so bad. Ready? You ready? Look at that. Ah! How do I manage to do this? I don't even know. I don't know. Yeah, I'm about to head to Cal 2, and then I have business 2:30A right after, so yeah. It was literally like sunny, not sunny, like it was cold, but the sun was out, there was no rain, and now it's freaking raining. Like what? Like, oh, I don't think you can see, but the floor is like wet, and yeah. Why is California weather so like bipolar? I do not understand. Okay, yeah, I just wanted to say that. Oh, she's what? Yeah, I just wanted to say that, and okay, bye. I'm done with classes today.